Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Gaurav, and today we are kicking off a brand new series where we'll be creating an entire brand from scratch only using Adobe Express and Adobe Firefly. This series is created in partnership with Adobe. Let's get started.
Let's start building a brand from scratch. First, I'm opening Adobe Express and I'll hit the plus icon to start a new design. For the logo, I'm keeping the background white because it's clean and it lets me see exactly how the logo will actually look against the packaging later, since most of our labels are light colored too. Now let's add the text. For the font, I'm choosing DM Sans, specifically the black weight, which is the heaviest and boldest version of the typeface. I'm typing our brand name, Lather. I want this logo to feel confident and modern, and a heavier weight gives it that presence. I'm setting the size to 60, big enough to read clearly, but I'll fine tune this later once I see it against the bottle. And I'm aligning it to the middle, centered, so it sits balanced on the canvas. One small but important adjustment. I am bringing the letter spacing down to -100. This tightens up the text so it doesn't feel loose or spaced out. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in how confident and finished the word mark feels. For the color, instead of pure black, I'm using a charcoal. It's softer than true black and it reads as a bit more premium on screen and in print. And that's our primary logo, lather in charcoal on white. Now I'm also creating an inverted version, same logo but flipped, a charcoal background with the text in white. This gives us a version we can use on dark backgrounds or anywhere the white version needs more contrast. Two versions, same brand. This is exactly what we'll save into our brand kit next, so this logo stays consistent across everything we build from here. Now let's make this official. I'm going into brands, clicking create and setting this up manually. First, I'll name it Lather. Next, I'm adding both logo versions we just built, the primary and the inverted one. Now colors. I'm building out our full palette, the base neutrals, our charcoal and the distinct colors for each product in our line. For typography, I'm using DM Sans for the bold headlines and product names, paired with Laura, a soft serif for the smaller detailed text. Once this is saved, every design I create from here pulls directly from this kit. Same logo, same colors, same fonts automatically. This is what keeps a brand consistent across dozens of assets instead of me manually matching colors every single time. Now for the fun part, bringing our products to life. I'll go to Add Content, open Generative AI and select Generate Image. I am setting the image to a square format and choosing GPT image as my model. Here's the exact prompt I'm using for the shampoo bottle. And there's our shampoo bottle, clean, colored, no label yet. I'll repeat this same process for the face wash and body wash. Same method, 3 products, a tube for the face wash, a bottle for the body wash, each in its own color. Now let's bring the brand onto the bottle. I'm placing our lather logo directly onto the shampoo bottle. For the ingredient graphic, I'm going into Elements, then Design Assets and searching for Rosemary since this is our Rosemary Shampoo. I'll duplicate it and adjust the placement so it feels natural on the bottle, not just centered and static. For the product name, I'm pulling DM Sans Bold straight from our brand kit and typing Rosemary Shampoo. I'm setting the size to 30, then adjusting the line spacing to 0.8 and the letter spacing to -50. Below that, a smaller line for all hair types 300 milliliters in Laura Bold size 10. And all the text on this bottle is using our locked charcoal straight from the brand kit. Same color, same consistency every time. Same process for the face wash, green tea and cucumber. And the body wash, coconut. Same fonts, same structure, same brand kit, just different ingredients and colors. And there's our complete line: rosemary shampoo, green tea and cucumber face wash, and coconut body wash. Same logo, same typography, same design system, 3 distinct products. This is the foundation. Next episode, we're taking these exact mockups into Adobe Firefly to turn them into professional product photography and video. So make sure you're following for that. If you're building your own brand alongside me, I'd genuinely love to see what you make. Drop it in the comments.